Hello, welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, I'm looking at how to find limit at infinity. Already on this series, I've done a video on the concept of limit. And in that particular video, I look at how to find the limit of a constant, polynomial, and a rational function. Okay, so let's begin this one. So, limit of a function f of x as x approaches or becomes very large is denoted by this. This is how we write the limit at infinity. Now under this we have three cases that we need to look at it. Now the first case is limit as 1 over a variable raised to a certain power where the power is positive. In short, anytime you have 1 over infinity, the answer is 0. So let's take note. Anytime you have 1 over infinity, the answer is 0. Now the second one. Now, if you are finding a limit of a function, maybe x to the power n, and when x is positive, so this one you get the same as infinity. So does not exist. We normally don't use this term at this level, but for the sake of learning, the answer is infinity. Or you can say that does not exist. Okay, if you have a rational function that you want to find the limit, so what you need to do, look at the two functions, both the numerator and the denominator. Look at the variable with the highest power, and then you divide all the terms by that variable. What do we seek to achieve? And we have established that 1 over infinity is equal to 0. So this is the concept that we are building on when you have a rational function. Okay, let's look at some examples. I have these two questions here, three of them. So the first one, limit as 7x over x minus 4 and x tend to infinity. So this is a rational function, and to find its limit, what is the variable with the highest power? This one is power 1. So we have limit as x tend to infinity. Then we are going to divide through by x. So at the numerator, we have 7x over x all over x minus 4 over x. Yes. So this x will cancel. So we have limit as x tend to infinity. We are going to have 7 over x is 1 minus 4 over x. So we have been able to simplify. Let's put in the infinity. So we have 7 over 1 minus 4 over infinity. Okay, and under this we can write it as 7 over 1 minus 4 times 1 over infinity. And we know, as I said earlier on, 1 over infinity is equal to 0. So this means that you are getting 7 over 1 minus 0. So the answer will be 7. Okay, let's look at the second question. Limit as x tends to infinity. We have x over x squared minus 1. So the rule is, let's go through the variables. You select the one with the highest power, and in this case is x squared. So we are going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by x squared. So limit as x tends to infinity, so x over x squared over x squared over x squared minus 1 over x squared. So we are going to have limit as x tends to infinity. So at the numerator we have 1 over x squared is 1 minus 1 over x squared. So at this point we can begin to substitute. So we have 1 over infinity over 1 minus 1 over infinity squared. Remember, this will give us 0 over 1 minus this will also give us 0. And 0 over any number is equals to the same 0. So let's look at the last question. That's limit as s tends to infinity. We have 5x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2 over 2x cubed plus 4x. So the rule is scan through both numerator and denominator and select the variable with the highest power. This time the variable with the highest power is x cubed. So we are going to have limit as s tends to infinity. So at the numerator we have x cubed over x cubed minus 7x squared over x squared plus 2 over x squared over 2x cubed over x cubed plus 4x over x cubed. So now when we simplify the numerator, we have limit as s tends to infinity. 5 minus this is cube, this is cube, yes. So we have 7 over x plus 2 over x cubed, and then we have 2 plus 4 over x squared. Now when we substitute the limit, so we have 5 minus 7 over infinity plus 2 over infinity cube over 2 plus 4 over infinity square. So all these will go to 0. So you are going to have 5 over 2 as our answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you like the video, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload the video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye for now.